But anyways, I'm gonna keep it short and simple. I'm gonna show you how to make this tube top out of the extra fabric that you have when you cut a shirt. This is the fabric that came from this t-shirt that I bought, made into a crop top, had extra fabric, thought it'd be fitting to make it a tube top. So here's the tutorial. Let go. Okay, so I'm starting off measuring how much I'm gonna need to cut off and then pinning where it would fit me. And then I'm just gonna cut off that excess fabric, and I'm gonna cut off a little extra more just because the fabric I'm using specifically tends to stretch while I wear it. Anyways, I'm going to change the stitching, and so we're gonna do a basting stitch. It's just gonna be really loose. Sew both ends. So this is how we're gonna do the ruffling or the gathering in the front. You're gonna tie one side of the strings, and then for the other side you're going to hold one of the strings, and then the other string you're gonna pull it like so, and then it's gonna gather up like this, and then you're just gonna move the gathers so that it's all even and that it all matches the length of your zipper. All right, and then just do that to the other side. You're gonna tie both ends, and then you're going to pin the ends to the zipper, and then we're just gonna sew that down. So you can either use a zipper foot. My sewing machine had the option to move the needle left and right, and so depending on which side I was working on, I would either move it to the left or to the right. Now I'm moving the stitch length back to 2 or 2.5. And then at the end you want to make sure that you tuck that zipper part, that zipper and that part, you like tuck it down. Anyways, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. I didn't mention this. I did this for the red one, but I didn't end up doing it for the blue one. But if you wanted to have a more clean finish, I would just hem the ends first and then do all this gathering stuff. That way it'll look clean. So you'll see now that part that we did the gatherings with is showing. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to rip off that seam so that it's not there, so that you're left with just the seam that is holding the fabric to the zipper. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be posting more videos, but it's not gonna be like the same amount as before because I want to make sure that everything is quality that I post. But if you have any requests, please leave them down in the link below. Tell me what you like about my new style of making videos, what you don't like, or what you want to see more of. But yes, let me know. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Bye.